Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing good. So I'm in the wife's Honda Pilot. This is gonna work for almost every car though. So it has to do with the cup holders here. I don't know if you're like me, but when I use large water bottles, they never fit in here. Like the hydro flask and things like that. So I picked up something that should help with that area, make these more usable. I mean, the cords aren't big at all. I mean, these are good for small items, but I don't know if you're aware that the handles here, there's a reason why there's a notch in the center right here, is to accommodate mugs and things with handles. So, didn't know if you guys knew that or not, but it's a neat little feature that manufacturers put in these cup holders. But let me go ahead and open this box up. So, here's what I just picked up from Joy Tudis. Very simple, but it's very useful at the same time. Basically what it does, you can see the size difference here. It's an adapter that's going to enlarge that cup holder. And you also get this side piece here for little gadgets you have, coins, whatever you want to put in it. So it's really basic. This bottom base just snaps into the actual cup holder part. See the little ears on it. You just put it in there. It'll only go in one way, and then you turn it clockwise really hard, and you'll feel it snap in there too. So it holds it really secure. Nice, it has this little rubber mat too. Take out and wash it. But I do like the design of this because it uses the same cup holder location, and so now you can put big bottles in it. Has those little rubber grooves here, so it'll fit a ton of cup holders. It just wedges down inside there. This fits a little easier too, but the cord has little ears that pop out, so it'll be harder to actually remove it out of the cord one with the ears. So just be careful when you pull it. And then this little piece here slides down the side of it, locks into place, and now you have a spot for glasses or whatever you want. Just some extra storage there. It's never a bad thing. So it's really nice. Doesn't raise it too much. So those rubber grooves, like I said, they just wedge in here. And any car with the actual ears that pop out, it'll be really tight in there. And see, they still have the little opening here. So if you have a mug or anything with a handle, it actually fits down in there, and you can just take it out like that. Really nice. For the price, guys, it's definitely a great investment to get, especially like if you're like me and like those big water bottles. Nice little cubby here. You don't have to use that cubby if you don't want, but even fits in the front cup holder here without hitting. It's really good design. And it'll fit in any cup holder too. So right now you can get it 20% off. You use the code Honda20. I'll put that in the description as well as a link for this item. I would definitely pick it up. It's $31.99 right now. So you get it under 30 bucks with the coupon code if you take advantage of that right now. Again, I thought it was very useful since that's the frustration I always run into, having these big cups that don't really sit in here and you can't use them. It's kind of pointless. So it's a good solution. So check the description for that link. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.